to get out of the rain. And there was a gatekeeper, the cell membrane. I went to a cell, and what did I see? The mitochondria, it's the energy factory. I went to a cell and said, who drive this bus? And found myself talking to the boss, the nucleus. I went to a cell to recover from a spasm and found myself swimming in some clear cytoplasm. I went into a nucleus to ask how to get home and got genetic info stored in a chromosome. I went into a cell and stretching oh so far was a thin and wavy network, it's called the ER. I went into a cell and trying not to be perplexed by a packaging and sorting in a Golgi complex. I went into a cell and said, who makes proteins here? And somebody responded, it's ribosome, my dear. I went into a cell and was feeling pretty fine till a lysosome engulfed me and dissolved me in enzymes. I went into a cell and was feeling pretty nimble till a centriola sewed me, trying me up in a spindle. I went into a plant cell to see how trees get so tall, and all around the outside was a rigid cell wall. I went into plant cell, why is it so green? I asked. 'Cause I make some food from sunlight, said a green chloroplast. I went into a plant cell to see how plant cells store food, when Bakul informed me that he was the storage dude. So when you go inside the cell, remember what you see. There's over a trillion cells in both you and me. Just sing this song if you ever feel confusion. And remember, the active transport is the opposite of diffusion.